A cactus waits in desert dry, under a pale and brittle sky. It dreams of rain but feels the sting of every drop the clouds might bring. Cactus in the rain, oh strange, thirsting for the pain, for the change. Roots that crave and spines that strain. Cactus in the rain, cactus in the rain. The sand shifts soft beneath its feet, a quiet hymn no one repeats. It wears the scars it never chose, a crown of thorns, a secret rose. Oh, let it go, let it fall. It'll drink it all, it'll drink it all. Cactus in the rain, oh it's strange, thirsting for the pain, for the change. Roots that crave and spines that strain. Cactus in the rain, cactus in the rain. Who says the dry don't feel the wet? Who says the heart forgets regret? Who says the thorns can't love the storm? Who says the